Hello Gapstars, today I want to show you a demo of the Fullgap platform. The mobile version was recently launched, making it much smoother for me to use. If you're not familiar with Fullgap, it's a platform where you can manage your projects, invoices, and contracts all in one place. Having the mobile version makes things smoother as you can now manage your projects on the go. Let's do a quick run through of how the platform works. So first things first, you need to enter the web address on your preferred mobile browser, which is www.fullgap.co, www.fullgap.co. So creating an account is pretty easy. All you need to do is just click on try Fullgap for free, or come up here to the three stripes and click on sign up. You need to put in your basic details like your name, your phone number, your email address, and your address. These are details that will appear on your contracts. I already have an account, so all I need to do is click on sign in. My details are saved here already, so sign in. So here's what the dashboard looks like. Pretty slick here. The dashboard gives you an overview of your projects, your active projects, your completed projects, and your incoming projects. Creating a project is pretty simple. Click on the icon with a plus sign at the bottom right part of your screen. So this brings you to the next page where you put in your project details like your project title, automobile photography, description, photography session for 2024 models. So project priority, this is just to sort your files, low, medium, or high. Let me give this to medium. It's a client project, right? That should be checked. Create a new client or select an existing client. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to create a new client, yeah? This is a company. You need to put in your company information, the company you're working with. Let's say Imon Lusk, company phone number option, that's optional. So the contact person, Imon Lusk. Email address, let's do imonlusk@mjl.com. Phone number, this is just a demo, so company address. So put number 1, Imon Lusk Drive. City, let's just do Lagos City, yeah? Country, Nigeria. States, do Lagos as well. That's fine. So next, you can decide to put their website, but that's if you want to. So I've created a new client. I select that, yeah? It's selected already. Imon Lusk Nigeria Limited. Continue. Add a deliverable. So what I'm doing is automobile photography. Let's say they need some aerial pictures. So I'll say aerial photography. You have to give a description. It's not compulsory, but then for the purpose of this, I'll say aerial pictures to show the beautiful landscape. Start date. Supposed to start tomorrow, 24th. Deliver on the 28th. Yeah? Amount. Let's just say 1.5 million. So save this deliverable. That is saved already. Okay, that is just one deliverable. I could go back to say I want to add another deliverable. This is one deliverable. So add a new deliverable. Enter title. Say I'm giving them videos as well for this project. So I'll say lifestyle videos. Videos to show people using the cars as daily drivers. So amount for this is 2 million naira. Start on 28th, yeah? Due date 31st. So save deliverable. Very easy. That's a total of 3.5 million naira. Continue. You could decide to save to draft, to come back to re-edit, to complete that project. I require a deposit, definitely. So you could either put the amounts you require. You could say you want 2 million naira upfront, or the way I like to do it, I like to start with 70% upfront. So I'd rather just type 70% and let Fullgap do the calculation for me. As done, I will invoice on deliverables or once. So I'll do once. I get my deposits before I start, and final payment comes on the 28th. Not at first when I deliver the final job. It has done your calculation for me. An amount of 1,050,000 naira will be requested from clients, blah, blah, blah. So continue. Now, this is very interesting part. You could decide to edit the contract, which is like an agreement between you and your clients. You could decide to edit individual sections by just selecting this. You could type whatever you want to delete. And when you're done, you could, like I said, edit individual sections, professional conduct, miscellaneous, entire contract. You could do that. I advise you to read. No, so but once you're done, click on reviewed and approved. Then click on continue. Send to client. So since you have your client's email there already and everything you need, it's going to send it to you and your client. It sends it to your client. So you click on send to client and your client receives this in his email box, email address. Pretty simple. So you get this success page. You could copy this link to share with your clients in the future if you need to. That's copied. So just click on done. So now you see on our dashboard, you can come back to the dashboard and it says I have 3 active projects. Click on that. It gives me the 3 active projects I have. Automobile photography for Lost Nigeria Limited, architectural photography for ABC Automotive, and car pictures for ABC Automotive as well. So, I mean, that's that. This just gives you an overview of all the projects you have going on. So this box here, the second icon down, is also, those are your projects, your open projects. Like I said, you could just click on the box right here with the plus sign to create a new project. So using the platform is pretty easy, like I said earlier, right? Once you're done creating a project, sit back, relax, and await your credit alert. Thanks for watching. Power to the creative ones.